What's good? It's your boy G-Kid back with another video. Today what we're working on, Sidemarker Lights install on the Mk6 GTI. Honestly, I can't wait to see what this looks like when it's on. It's got the orange on the front right now. It just doesn't look quite all the way there, so I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like once we put this on. All right, so I ordered this from Euro Tuning. Take a look at this though. Cars and coffee popping? What's up? What else they sent? Thank you for your order. You can win $100. You just gotta share a photo and possibly you can win it. So I ordered this off from eurotuning.com. This is the box it comes in. It's got a little made in China on the bottom of it. Let's look at it. Let's crack it open. On the front side, bumper side markers, amber LED with the smoked lens. Let's crack it open. Let's see what we got on the inside here. Now, this should be a very easy install. All right, so that's one side. Boom. Comes with the resistors for it. Now this should prevent any error lights out, things like that. Because it does have those resistors. It should be plug and play. And then another resistor for the other side. So pretty much the steps you're gonna do here is I'm gonna grab this one piece here, grab my resistor, and go at the end piece of this. I'm gonna plug it in. Boom, now it's all plugged in. Should be the resistor all set up for it. Let's check out our other side. As you can see, it's got the little plugs for them. You just pretty much line it up. Boom. Plug it in. You hear that little click. Good to go. This is going to plug in right where your old bulb was. All right, let's go get the car. This is going to replace this piece here on both sides. First thing you're going to want to do is if you're installing your driver's side, you're going to want to turn it towards the passenger side. So let's do that now. This is going to give us clearance on this side now to finish up our install. So now with the wheel turned towards the passenger side, you're going to see this little compartment here. This little compartment is going to have to pop open for me to get this piece out the easiest. So I'm going to grab a screwdriver now. So now that I have the screwdriver, what I'm going to do is go in here. I'm going to pop this up. That was a little tricky. But what you're gonna be able to see now is from the inside, now that that compartment is out of there, there's a little tab on the back side of this side marker bulb. This is also how you reach your fog light bulb as well, just in case you were wondering. So now when I'm pushing on this tab, it's gonna push it out, just like that. Boom, I got it out of there. Now, just pull it off, just like that. From the back side, this is the tab that I pushed on in order to get it out of there. Once you've gotten that off of there, you're gonna take your bulb, pull that out of there, boom. Set that aside. Your resistor is already connected. What you're gonna do next is take your little plug here and you're gonna plug it into this. All I'm doing is taking that plug, plugging it into there, boom. You're gonna take your resistor piece and you're gonna just feed it into that hole as well. Pull back your plastic just a bit. And now it has a little tab on the front end, and that's gonna go in. You see this little tab here on the front end? That's gonna go in first, and then the back side goes in. But before I push it all the way in, I wanna test this bulb to make sure it's working properly. And yes, it appears to be working properly. So what I'm gonna do now is push it into place. Take the plastic off, and that's the front end. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Don't forget, don't get too excited and forget to put these back in place. So just like the other side, put the front in first. Before I put it all the way in, I'm gonna just test it. Reinstall the cover piece. Grab all your tools up. And just like that, the install is completed. It looks so much better. Look at the front end of this car. Just the fact that it all blends in now and looks very nice. Even though I was a little concerned because the car is in black. But honestly, that looks so good. That back just a bit further. It cleans up the front end so much more. Anyways, it's your boy G-Kid. It's been another episode of Live Fast. We just installed those side marker lights. I got some more lights that just came in. Can't wait to get the videos out for that. And if you learned something, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace. And this is what they look like at nighttime. Super bright, super clean. Let's come to the other side. much better.